All right, guys, check it out. This is my new space. Check it out. It's big. It's even got the vaulted ceiling. And a restroom. And a closet. And me. Big room. Then we got this one. And this one. And my wife. Say hi.
Hi.
Does she seem cheery? That's because she's full of shit. She's not cheery. But look, we have a dishwasher. I like the way this is laid out. Dishwasher, sink, stove. This little angle. You just stand in one place and you can do everything without moving from that one spot. And there is a big old huge microwave up here. That's very cool. Biggin'. It's a biggin'. But guys, the best part, well, here's the living room. Big living room with a fireplace. That ceiling fan is getting it, man. So here's the laundry room. And the best part is this. This is the juicy bit. This is the new space. Things are going to happen in here. 2-car garage, all one big huge open area. And it's cold in here right now because it's cold as shit outside. So we are going to have a heater that I'll have to run during the winter. But and all that's in here is the heating area unit and the water tank, Dumaflichi. So this is cool. Y'all, I've been trying for so hard, for so long, to get a space like this. And we're definitely gonna have to hang some shit in here to kill the echo. Because, hey, all right, I'm gonna break into a song. Y'all ready? I'm gonna do a gospel song. I'm gonna probably start laughing or coughing. One of these mornings, and it won't be long, you'll look for me, and I'll be gone home, going to heaven to sing and shout. There ain't nobody gonna put me out. Let me hear you say soon, soon. Soon, 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 soon. Step in the water so cold. It chilled my body, but it did not chill my soul. What I'm trying to tell you, they're seeing it wrong. Don't let temptation lead you on. Let me hear you say soon, 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 soon. My wife come in. I was in the middle of that. She comes looking around the corner, looking at me like, is something wrong with your brain? Guys, you know I'm crazy. That's a lot of echo, right? Wow. Where'd you go, baby? You're back here somewhere. Well, we'll find her. She can't. Oh, there's the vacuum. She didn't go far. Renee? Where are you hiding at? Oh, she must have went outside. She's getting the boxes. Oh,
Sorry.
I was looking for you.
I'm carrying one.
You think your husband's crazy?
Oh, I know. Absolutely. No doubt.
Well, that echo was intense, so I was like, it inspired me to sing a gospel song.
Oh my God. That's what you were singing?
Yeah.
Sounded like you were howling.
Hey, look here. You know she's got to be crazy to be married to me, right? Anyway, guys. What do y'all think? I want down in the comments. Let me know what you think about this. I like this little kitchen. Ain't nothing to write home about, but man, it's got a dishwasher. You know, I ain't had very many dishwashers in my life. I don't think we've ever had a dishwasher. Us.
No, I don't think so either.
I don't think we, and you know what? We've never, and we were discussing on the way over here that we've never had 2 bathrooms. I mean, I've lived in houses with 2 bathrooms before, but she hasn't, and we definitely haven't together. And we've been together for 25, 26 years. But yeah, there's the main bathroom. It's got the bathtub. All, huh?
The stuff that was in the kitchen, your stuff, do you want me to put it in the closet? I mean, the garage
Yeah.
for now?
Yeah. That's a plan. But yeah, this one's got the regular tub and stuff, all the normal. There's no little, unfortunately, there's no little cabinet right here, so we don't have that. But there's that one, and then we have this one. And this one's mine. Of course, I get the little one. And I also prefer a shower to walk in because my legs don't work that good anymore. And stepping into that tub is kind of hard for me. And my wife likes to sit down in the shower, so she gets in there and sits down. And so that, oh, that's actually got a seat in it. Oh, that's cool. But this is my little deal. We've got lots of space in here, man. I'm gonna have room to store all my junk. I gotta get on Amazon and order more junk. Nice big window. Let's see what's outside here. See, she likes to cover every window and block it and close it and like go full stealth mode. I'm the opposite. I like having the light come in. Yeah, it's subdivided neighborhoods. This is the back of a bunch of pretty much identical places. But there is that tree out there. And that has got pine cones on it, I think. It don't look like a pine tree. What kind of cones are those? There's cones on there, like pine cones, but okay, maybe I'm just losing my mind. Y'all feel free to correct me and my stupidness. I have plenty to go around. If anybody needs any stupidness, you can always borrow it from me. I got plenty. What is that? Okay, it's just a blocked off thing. Probably a little junction box. There's one over there too. No fancy internet plugs in here. There's something in the living room, I think. But yeah. So this is going to be my space. We're going to be doing a lot decorating in here, and this is going to be very, very cool. There's an internet, a cable plug over there. I got to figure out where everything is going to go, but this is the space. But I know you guys will have something to say. Let me know what you think. ideas about getting the echo in the garage down, because you know we can't be doing gospel concerts on a regular basis. But yeah, it's got that one big door, which means we can pull straight in the middle and have tons of room to work on stuff inside. That's so cool. I'm thinking I'll just hang up, get some blankets or stuff and hang on the walls, and that'll kill the majority of it. We'll figure it out, won't we? Well, appreciate you guys for stopping by and checking out our new place. And the wife thanks you too. I think she's still getting over the fact that I was singing in there in the garage. Anyway, guys, holler at me in the comments. Peace.